Okay, in this figure, ABCD is a parallelogram. That's why BC and AD they are parallel, and AB and DC they are parallel as well. Okay, so we have CFD and EBF, they are straight lines, and angle CBE is 150 degrees. Angle BCD is 45, and angle DBF is 20 degrees. Okay, so we want to find what is angle EBA here, as well as angle BDA here. Okay, so we can start. First of all, we can find what is angle BAD, which is this angle here. It is equal to 45 degrees because opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Okay, next we can find angle ABC. Okay, angle ABC, which is this angle here, is equal to 180 degrees minus 45 degrees. We will have 135 degrees. Okay, this is due to interior angles. Okay, after that we can find, okay, let us label the angle found, 45, and this is 135. Okay, next we can find angle EBA. Angle EBA will be this angle here. It will be 360 minus 135 minus 150. That will give us 75 degrees. This is because angle at a point equals to 360 degrees. Okay, so we have solved part A. Okay, now we want to solve for part B, angle BDA. Okay, we can find what is angle ABD. Okay, so this one is 75, we write down. ABD will be this angle here. ABD is equal to 180 degrees minus 75 minus 20, and we have 85 degrees. This is due to angles on a straight line equals to 180 degrees, because 75 and this 20 degrees, and the angle ABD, they fall on a straight line. Okay, next we can find angle BDA. Angle BDA is equal to 180 degrees minus 85 degrees minus 45 degrees. That will be 50 degrees, and the reason is because of angles in a triangle equals to 180 degrees. Okay, so the answer will be 75 degrees for part A and 50 degrees for part B. Okay, in this figure, ABCD is a straight line, and BDEF is a parallelogram, so it has two pairs of parallel lines. And EC and EF, they are equal, so triangle EFC is an isosceles triangle, and we have angle FAB is a right angle, and BFA is 40 degrees, and angle DEC is 20 degrees. So first of all, we have to find angle X. So what we can do here, right, is to find angle ABF first. So angle ABF is equal to 180 degrees minus 90 minus 40. That will give us 50 degrees. Okay, so this angle is 50 degrees. You can find what is angle X now because these two are adjacent angles on a straight line. Okay, so angle X is equal to 180 degrees minus 50 degrees. That will give us 130 degrees because of adjacent angles on a straight line. Okay, next we go on to part B to find angle Y. So what we can find here, it will be angle DEF. Since angle X is 130, angle DEF is the opposite angles in the parallelogram. So angle DEF is also 130 degrees. Opposite angles in a parallelogram are equal. Okay, next we know that this is 130, so we can find what is angle CEF. That will be just 130 minus of 20. Okay, so angle angle CEF will be equal to 130 minus 20. That will give us 110 degrees. Okay, so this angle here is 110. Okay, so we can find out what is angle Y. Because triangle CEF is an isosceles triangle, this angle here will be also Y. So to find Y, right, angle Y is just 180 degrees minus 110 divided by 2. That will give us 35 degrees. This is due to base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. Okay, so for part A, the answer is 130 degrees, and part B, the answer is 35 degrees. Okay, in this figure, ABCD is a parallelogram, so we have two pairs of parallel lines. And CEFD is a rhombus, so all the four sides are equal. So we can see that triangle CDF is an isosceles triangle. So we can find out what is this angle here. Angle DCF is also equal to 24 degrees because of base angles of isosceles triangles are equal. Okay, next we can find out what is angle CDF. Okay, so angle CDF will be just 180 degrees minus 24 minus 24. That will give us 132 degrees because angles in a triangle equals to 180 degrees. Okay, next we can find out what is this angle here. Angle CDA is equal to 360 degrees minus 132 minus 90. That will give us 138 degrees. Okay, this is due to angles at point equals to 360 degrees. Okay, then we can find out what is angle DAB, because these two angles are interior angles. So angle DAB is equal to 180 degrees minus 138. That will give us 42 degrees. This is due to interior angles. Okay, so the answer is 42 degrees. Okay, in this figure, ABCD is a trapezium. So ABCD has a pair of parallel lines in AB and CD. And E is a point on AD such that AB and BE, they are equal. So triangle ABE is an isosceles triangle with this angle equal to this angle. Okay, then we have angle BCD is equal to 62 degrees and angle CDE equals to 110 degrees. We are supposed to find angle EBC. Okay, so first of all, we can find out what is angle BAD. Okay, so angle BAD is equal to 180 degrees minus 110. That will give us 70 degrees because of interior angles. Okay, because these two angles is in between these two parallel lines, that's why it's interior angles. Okay, next, if angle BAD is 70, then angle AEB is also 70 degrees. That is due to base angles of isosceles triangles are equal. Okay, next we can find out what is this angle. Angle ABE will be just 180 degrees minus 70 minus 70. That will give us 40 degrees due to angles in a triangle. Okay, so this is 40. Okay, we can find out what is angle ABC. Okay, angle ABC is equal to 180 minus 62. Minus 62 degrees here. We have 118 degrees. Okay, so this angle is 118 degrees. Okay, by the way, this is due to interior angles. So we have this angle, this angle is 40, so we can find out what is angle EBC. So that will be just 118 degrees minus 40 degrees. We will have 78 degrees. Okay, that's the answer. Okay, in this figure, ABC is a triangle and X, Y, Z are points on the triangle such that AX is equal to AY, AX equal to AY, and YB equals to ZB. So we have two angles here. This angle AYZ is 104 degrees and this angle XYB is 107 degrees. Okay, so we have two isosceles triangles in AXY as well as BYZ. Okay, so this angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this angle. Okay, first of all, we can find out what is AYX. Okay, so angle AYX is equal to 180 degrees minus 107. We will have 73 degrees. This is due to adjacent angles on a straight line. So being an isosceles triangle, this angle AXY will also be 73 degrees due to base angles of an isosceles triangle. So this is 73 degrees, 73 degrees. And we can find out what is angle XAY. That will be 180 degrees minus 73 degrees. We will have 34 degrees due to angles in a triangle. So this is 34 degrees. Okay, next we can find what is angle ZYB. So angle ZYB is equal to 180 degrees minus 104 degrees. That will give us 76 degrees because this angle ZYB and 140 degrees, they are on a straight line. So this is due to adjacent angles on a straight line. Okay, so this being an isosceles triangle, angle YZB will also be 76 degrees, okay, due to base angles of isosceles triangle. So this is 76. So we can find out what is angle YBZ. 180 minus 76 minus 76. We will have 28 degrees. Okay, so now we can find out what is this angle ZCX. It will be just 180 minus 34 minus 28. Okay, so 180 minus 34 minus 28, that will give us 118 degrees, and this is due to angles in a triangle. Okay, in the diagram below, A, B, C and D, E, F, they are equilateral triangles. That means all the three sides are equal and each angle is 60 degrees. So you can put in. Okay, so now we can find out what is angle BCF. Okay, so angle BCF is equal to 180 degrees minus 62 minus 60 degrees. That will give us 58 degrees. This is due to angles on a straight line. Okay, next we can go on to find angle EFC. Okay, angle EFC is equal to 180 degrees minus 92 degrees. That will give us 88 degrees. Okay, this is due to adjacent angles on a straight line. Okay, next we can find, okay, maybe we just write down what are the angles that we have found. 58 here, and this is 88 degrees. Okay, so let's look at this. C to this point here, maybe we call this O. COEF is actually a four-sided figure. It's a quadrilateral. So any quadrilateral, right, if you were to add up all the interior angles, which is this 88 plus 58 plus 60 plus angle X, it should give us 360 degrees. So we have these three angles here. We can just take 360 minus off these three angles. It should give us angle X. Okay, so it will be angle X is equal to 360 minus 60 degrees minus 58 degrees minus 88 degrees. That will give us 154 degrees. Okay, so this is due to angles in a quadrilateral equals to 360 degrees. Okay, in this diagram below, ABCD is a square and QM is equal to QP is equal to QN. So we can do some labeling, and MN is parallel to AB and is perpendicular to PQ. Okay, so these two lines, they are parallel. Okay, so in this case we can see that QP is actually the equivalent to the side of the square. So we can say that QP is equal to DA is equal to BC. DA and BC. And since ABCD is a square, right? It is also equal to AB and DC. So we can indicate all these are of the same length. Okay, so since AB is parallel to MN, QP is equal to AB is equal to MN. Okay, so MN is also the same length as AB, so this is also equal. Okay, so we can see that this triangle QMN is actually an isosceles triangle because all the three sides are equal. So we can say that Q triangle QMN is an equilateral triangle. Okay, so each angle here, it has to be 60 degrees. Okay, so we can see that PQ actually cuts this angle MQN equally. Okay, so since PQ cuts angle MQN equally, we can say that angle MQP is equal to angle NQP, which is equal to 60 degrees divided by 2. That will be 30 degrees each. So we can say that this angle here and this angle here, they are both 30 degrees, 30 degrees. Okay, so next we look at triangle PMQ. It's an isosceles triangle, so the base angles are equal. So we can find out what is angle QPM. So angle QPM is equal to 180 degrees minus of this angle, which is 30 degrees, and we can divide by 2. That will give us 75 degrees. Okay, we can do this because of the base angles of isosceles triangle. Okay, next we can find out what is this angle here, which is QPN. So angle QPN is equal to 180 degrees minus 30 degrees divided by 2. Same thing, we get 75 degrees. due to base angles of an isosceles triangle. Okay, so to find out what is angle MPN, okay, we just need to add these two angles together, which is 75 plus 75. So angle MPN is just equal to 75 degrees plus 75 degrees. We will get 150 degrees.